Hey, what's up, Diecast fans? This is Joelog20 Studios. I'm welcoming you to my very first unboxing video, and this is what I'll be unboxing: the Renault Master Ambulance from Matchbox. I got this car off of eBay for only $5.75. I think it's a great place to get diecast cars from like Matchbox, Hot Wheels, and stuff for very cheap prices. They're mostly the type of things that I would get in a flea market, but I would like to try that or something like that. Do peg hunting. So hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and let's open this thing up. Okay. So as you can see, the ambulance is very well detailed. It has a pretty nice interior. Yeah. It was made in 2011. I thought I'd be able to find one of these in stores, but no, I haven't. And as you can see from the packaging, it has a number of other vehicles that you can add to your collection. Besides the Renault Master Ambulance that I got today, I also have the BMW X5 police car, which is this one right here. Let's take a look at it. But yeah, it was a great collection of cars that I have. I'm glad I got my hands on the Renault Master Ambulance. So, if you enjoyed this video, just leave a like on it and comment as well, and subscribe, and be sure to click on the bell to get any kind of notifications. Alright, until next time, I'm Joelog20 Studios, and happy collecting.